a very important part of our team, a very good friend of mine, very close. We are here 7 years ago together from France. And if that moment comes, obviously I will be very sad.
It's difficult to find players like him then. But if this happens, I want to wish him all the best because he's a great man, great player, fantastic player, and of course I like him so much, and he's like a brother for me. So I wish, if this happens, I wish him all the best.
Everybody knows him already. Everybody knows who is Eden as a person, as a player, as a friend. So I just wish him all the best. If he stay with us, or if he not stay with us, he's someone that did great things for this club, for football. He's someone everybody knows in football knows him, and he's my friend for a long time, and I love him. Just wish him all the best.
He did a lot for Chelsea, and it was a pleasure to play with him, and we'll see what happens.
Honestly, the times that he had to cope with the rumors always going, they put him in a lot of teams. He always show his desire not to sign for an English team, even if he could have better contracts. He has never been a selfish person. Always he had this dream to play for Real Madrid, and we will see what happens. But I think he has been very honest until the last day. That's why the fans, they love him, because he didn't play with the club. He didn't push for another contract. He has always give his best. He was very clear with the club, and that's why the club is also happy with him. And obviously it's a big opportunity for him. It has been amazing for us, and I hope he still wins trophy in Real Madrid.